We all love the feeling of working at a neat and tidy desk. But as the day goes on, mess tends to pile up, making it difficult to stay focused. Introducing the Orbitkey Desk Mat, a clever solution to organize and optimize your workspace, helping you stay productive throughout the day. The desk mat creates a visual structure in your work area, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Lifting the top layer reveals the document hideaway, helping you store loose papers and notes so they don't pile up around you. With a dedicated space for stationery and small accessories in the toolbar, you'll always have quick access to your work essentials, while the magnetic cable holder keeps your cable in place and always within reach. The soft and elegant vegan leather will transform any desk into a warm and comfortable workspace, providing a smooth surface to write on and use your mouse with ease. The Orbitkey desk mat is durable and easy to clean, ready to take on whatever the day brings and help you do your best work. Keeping your desk tidy throughout the day so you're always organised and ready for the next.
Hi, Charles here from Orbitkey. We're so excited to be back here on Kickstarter with our 5th campaign. We designed the desk mat to help you create a more beautiful and organised desk space, and it's even more valuable now with many of us working from home. All the preparation for mass production is done, but we need your help to bring it to life. So please, join us on this journey. We're grateful for your support now more than ever. On behalf of our team here at Orbitkey, thank you.
What's up guys, Miles here with 95Mac, and today we're going to be checking out the world's smallest 65-watt gallium nitride USB-C charger, courtesy of Mopoint, who we want to thank for sponsoring 95Mac on YouTube. Let's dive in. Taking a look at the charger itself, it's extremely small and definitely the most pocketable 65-watt charger I've ever come across. And as I said in the beginning, this is in fact the world's smallest 65-watt gallium nitride charger, so if portability for your laptop charger comes first, this is what you're going to want to pick up. This little guy is about 70% smaller than current traditional laptop chargers. Just to show you what I mean, take a look at this 30-watt charger from Apple. As you can see, it's bigger, and you're only getting one charging port, as opposed to 3 on the Mopoint here, so it's smaller, and you're getting better charging capability out of it, which is definitely a good deal in my eyes. This is another 30-watt charger I've got as well, and while it's got 3 ports for charging, it's almost just as thick and nearly twice the height of the Mopoint here, so as you can see, there's not much that comes close as far as size and capability. Another way to get a true feel of the size is putting the Mopoint next to my AirPods Pro here. They're nearly the same size, but the Mopoint is actually a little bit narrower while only being a smidge taller than the AirPods Pro. So with the small size and only weighing 112 grams, this is an extremely pocketable charger. When taking a look at the I/O on the Mopoint charger, this is in my opinion the perfect combination for making sure you can charge up all of your everyday carry. Underneath the LED indicator light, we've got 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Both USB-C ports here support Power Delivery 3.0, as well as the USB-A port supporting Quick Charge 3.0. The Mopoint charger features intelligent power distribution technology as well, which allows the charger to simultaneously fast charge all 3 devices you're using, whether it be a laptop, tablet, smartphone, or some headphones. Overall, this is a great travel accessory option for those of you looking for a small yet functional charger for your devices, and you'll be able to pre-order this charger for a sale price of just $29 if you're interested in checking this out. If so, just hit the first link in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see future content like this. And a big thanks again to Mopoint for sponsoring 95Mac on YouTube. Talk to you guys later.
The TKS is a sleek, new kind of tech kit. Inside the TKS, you'll find a zipper pocket with a durable elastic mesh. Release the magnetic buckle to access an accordion organizer. With 6 different storage spaces for all of your essentials, including a space for your phone charger. Our laser-etched Hypalon zipper pulls lock together with a snap, and they're easy to unlock. YKK AquaGuard zippers and our proprietary bond stitch construction keep your gear dry. Hidden inside the padded back panel is a belt. Snap the magnetic V-buckle and your TKS is now the perfect day sling. Adjust the belt. Keep your belt tighty. Quickly release tension. Inside the front pocket, your phone is charging in a protective sleeve. Your keys are right at hand.
It's 2020. Are you still using so many cables for screencasting? Are you tired of downloading various software drivers or apps for installation? I don't think so. Let's try Hypermirror. A small device can change your life. No app or driver required at all. Plug and play. One button to connect your phone with TV. Then the screen of smartphone or tablet can be mirrored immediately to HD TV, monitor, or projector. Then you can enjoy 1080p HD quality on the bigger screen in a second. No audio delay. The biggest drag about using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to watch movies is the lip sync delay experienced with most devices on the market. Hypermirror features millimeter wave technology. Both our transmitter and receiver units reduce the delay to non-detectable levels, so you can enjoy video wirelessly without sync delay. No audio delay, no stuck. Hypermirror supports switch from multi-device and wide compatible with most device. Whether you are playing game or watch movie at home, having meeting at office or studying at home, just one button connection. You can effortlessly share your favorite contents on a large screen with family and friends. Hypermirror, small device, but can make your life easier.
This is Cooler Master's Pi Case 40. It's a casing for your Raspberry Pi, but unlike anything you've ever seen before. Its cooling solution allows you to really push the limits. The exclusive design is tuned specifically for overclocking out of the box, without the need for a noisy fan. The connections are clearly labeled and redirected to the side, for a cleaner look. And the inclusion of a handy-dandy remappable power button allows you to unlock the Pi's true potential. Pi Case 40 is extremely versatile. It's rugged and durable, just how you like it. You can bring it around, or stick it to a wall, or a vase mount. You decide.
I remember I was looking for an enclosure, and I talked to my friends about it, and they were like, why don't you just make your own? So I thought, actually, yeah, why not? Let's do it. So my team and I, we started to seek out for feedback from students, engineers. We reached out to the Pi Foundation, to medias, and everyone had amazing inputs. So I thought, well, it looks like the community wants to see something that is apparently not there yet, or at least not everything is in a single package. So the idea of the Pi Case 40 came about putting all of our manufacturing knowledge on the table and let the community brainstorm with it, with us, and help us finalize this affordable yet feature-rich package. The goal is not just to make a cooling enclosure for Raspberry Pis. The goal is to make something special, something for the community, by the community.
We worked on the technology behind the product. Now it's time to finalize it together. With your backing, we hope to create the perfect modular enclosure with a cooling solution you can trust and a set of features no one else has ever matched. Oh, and did I forget to mention? Once the campaign is over, we plan to release all the files and the schematics for free for everyone, open source. Join us on Kickstarter today. Make it yours, and let's bring this project to life.